Determining the cleanest energy source involves considering various factors such as greenhouse gas emissions, air and water pollution, resource depletion, and environmental impacts throughout the life cycle of the energy source. While no energy source is entirely without environmental impact, some are considered cleaner than others based on their overall environmental footprint. Let's explore some of the contenders for the title of the cleanest energy source and the factors that contribute to their environmental performance. Solar energy. Solar energy is often hailed as one of the cleanest energy sources available due to its minimal environmental impact and abundant availability. Solar panels harness sunlight using photovoltaic (PV) cells to generate electricity without emitting greenhouse gases or producing air or water pollution during operation. Additionally, solar energy systems have low environmental impacts throughout their life cycle, from manufacturing and installation to decommissioning. With proper siting and land use practices, solar energy can be deployed on a wide range of surfaces, including rooftops, parking lots, and brownfield sites, without significant habitat disruption or land degradation. Wind energy. Wind energy is another clean and renewable energy source that produces electricity by harnessing the power of the wind with wind turbines. Like solar energy, wind power generates electricity without emitting greenhouse gases or causing air or water pollution during operation. Wind turbines have a relatively small footprint and can be installed on land or offshore, making efficient use of available space without significant habitat destruction or land use change. While wind energy systems may have some environmental impacts, such as bird and bat collisions and visual impacts, these can be mitigated through careful siting, design, and operation practices. Hydropower. Hydropower, or hydroelectric power, harnesses the energy of flowing water, such as rivers and streams, to generate electricity using turbines and generators. Large-scale hydropower facilities, such as dams and reservoirs, can provide significant amounts of clean electricity with minimal greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution. However, the construction of large dams can have significant environmental and social impacts, including habitat destruction, displacement of communities, and alteration of river ecosystems. Small-scale, run-of-the-river hydropower projects and innovative hydropower technologies offer cleaner and more sustainable alternatives to large dams, with lower environmental impacts and greater compatibility with river ecosystems. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy utilizes heat from the Earth's crust to generate electricity and provide heating and cooling for buildings. Geothermal power plants use steam or hot water from geothermal reservoirs to drive turbines and generate electricity, producing minimal greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution. Geothermal energy has low environmental impacts compared to fossil fuels and can provide continuous baseload power without the intermittency associated with solar and wind energy. Additionally, geothermal heat pumps offer efficient and renewable heating and cooling solutions for residential and commercial buildings, reducing reliance on fossil fuels for space conditioning. Biomass energy. Biomass energy is derived from organic materials such as plants, agricultural residues, and organic waste, which are converted into heat, electricity, or biofuels through processes such as combustion, fermentation, and gasification. While biomass energy can be considered renewable, its environmental performance depends on factors such as feedstock sourcing, land use practices, and emissions controls. Sustainable biomass sources, such as forest residues, crop residues, and energy crops grown on marginal lands, can provide cleaner alternatives to fossil fuels and help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution. However, the use of biomass for energy must be carefully managed to avoid negative environmental impacts such as deforestation, habitat destruction, and competition for land and water resources. In conclusion, the cleanest energy source is not a single technology but rather a combination of renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, hydropower, geothermal, and sustainable biomass, each offering unique advantages and environmental benefits. By diversifying our energy mix and prioritizing the deployment of clean, renewable energy technologies, we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions, improve air quality, protect natural ecosystems, and build a more sustainable and resilient energy future for generations to come.